And we can move on. Next part is very simple. We're just going to dance the side steps, shifting our body weight from one leg to another and swaying our hips slightly. Again, we want to keep our moves as natural as we can. Remember about keeping your knees slightly bent and relaxed, but active at the same time. The hips are swaying from side to side, following the shift of the weight. And let's now go over the steps. We're going to start with the men's perspective. To the left, to the right, to the left. With this step, left hand goes up, connect your feet, shift your weight to the right leg, and take one more side step to the left. Repeat in the opposite direction, sway to the right, to the left, to the right. Left hand goes between the two of you, connect, and side step to the right, reach with your right hand to the side. Now the ladies' perspective. Let's turn around so you can copy the moves easily. Start to your right side, to the left. With the next step, rotate clockwise below the man's hand. Step with the right leg, connect your feet, rotating, shift your weight to the left leg, bend your knee slightly, side step to the right again. And repeat in the opposite direction, sway to the left, to the right. Now rotate counterclockwise. This time your steps during the rotation should be slightly bigger because we want to move back to the center of the dance floor. Step with the left leg, start the rotation. Continue, step forward. Finishing the rotation, keep your right knee slightly bent, push off the right leg to take a side step to the left and reach with your left hand to the side as well. Let's go back to our proper direction and we're going to count this part. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.